So I woke up this morning at 7:45 after getting an alright 7 hours and 32 minutes of sleep, and then went to the bathroom, came back to my room, turned the lights on and started doing some chores. So I made my bed and then went over to my desk to clear it up. Essentially I put all the work away, opened the curtains, ticked some things off on my noteboard, and then worked over to the other side of my room to put some clothes away. After that, I got ready into some actual clothes and went over to brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I went over to pack my bag. In my bag was my laptop, my notebook, my pencil case, my water bottle, and my laptop charger. I then grabbed my coat, put my shoes on, and left my accommodation. By this point, it's about 8:20, and I'm walking through Cambridge on this cold morning. I got some pretty views of the college from the inside and the outside. I continued my walk over the bridge, and my destination was my girlfriend's accommodation. I was going to hers this morning so we could have breakfast together before my 9 AM lecture. This is what her accommodation looked like, and I went in to have my breakfast, which was porridge with some golden syrup and a banana. After that, I headed towards my lecture block, which is that building there. My first and only lecture of the day was a 9 AM lecture on macroeconomics, specifically on the bond market. After that, I headed to the faculty to hand in a piece of supervision work and then walked back to my accommodation, by which point it's about 10:10. I then went inside to my room, turned the lights on and got down to doing some work. This is the first chunk of independent work I did today, and I was doing some macroeconomic flashcards. Essentially, I realised I got a little bit behind in terms of creating my flashcards for this term, so I decided to dedicate an hour and a half time period to doing that. I've got a little tracker on my pinboard which I tick off, which is really nice. But at about 20 to 12, I stopped doing my work and I headed out as I had a meeting with my tutor at 10 to 12 to discuss how I'm finding the year, how things going, my future aspirations, etc. It's in this really pretty court called Bodley's, which is right on the river. It has these old wooden staircases as it's a pretty old building. After that, I headed back to my room yet again to do my second stint of independent work for the day. This work I was doing now is some econometrics work. I started off by consulting the textbook and some lecture notes to make sure I'm up to date with the content I've been taught this term. After that, I started some work on a supervision assignment. For those of you interested, the work I'm doing here is about simultaneous equations. I then took a break to have some lunch, where I treated myself to a Tesco meal deal and also got a baguette which I could snack on throughout the day. It was then time to get back to doing the work, where I'd opened up Stata, opened up the problem set, and actually started answering some questions. Now, you might not be interested, but the specific problem set is about crime and police, and essentially there's two different relationships, as criminals commit less crime when police are around, but police go to the places where there's more crime, so it's pretty hard to know the effect of police on crime. Luckily for me, this supervision assignment wasn't that long. I hadn't written up the answers formally, but I had done most of the working, and I knew where I was going with most of it when it came around to writing up formally. After doing that, I sat down to mark an essay one of my tutees had submitted for the tutoring session late tonight. The specific essay question at hand was whether natural monopolies can ever be efficient, so I made some comments and notes to their response, and on the whole they did really well here. I continued doing this marking for about half an hour before I sat down to do some more academic work. The work I'm doing here is answering some first term microeconomic flashcards on game theory. Now, game theory is a part of economics I really enjoy learning about, and it's something I definitely want to pursue further in my academic career. I did this till about 5 o'clock, and then it was time to begin my tutoring for the night. So the first tutoring session I had today was an A-level mathematics tutoring session. The main focus of this session was doing some projectile questions and also some pulley questions, but making them really hard ones. I got to use my little pen where I can write on the whiteboard, which is quite fun. That was from 5 till 6, and then after that I had my economics session. In the economics session we spent a decent chunk of time talking about the essay I'd marked earlier in the day. We spoke about what went well and what we could do to improve for next time. After that we worked through an exam from the 2022 exam series. I also then spent some time explaining the theory behind the market structure part of the course and also explained some diagrams relating to natural monopolies. After that it was time to grab some food. Now I had planned to have chili and wraps, but it turned out I only had one wrap left, so the rest of the chili I just had in a bowl with some rice. I enjoyed this whilst watching some YouTube, specifically a Gotham chess video. It was a nice time to de-stress and forget about all the work I'd done earlier in the day. But after that, you guessed it, it was back to doing some work. The work I'm doing here is my labour supervision, which is due in on Sunday. Now, this supervision luckily was pretty short, and essentially it was about education as a signalling model versus education with human capital theory. It was quite cool. One of the models we were learning about, Spence's model, I've actually had a chance to meet Michael Spence. After that, I took my cam card, went out and spent the evening relaxing in the bar before coming back to do my reading, my journaling and finally turning my light off to go to sleep.